Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is D'Angela Vaughn if you are new, and if you're already a part of the clique, then welcome back. So y'all, I have been like a little bit under the weather. My voice was gone for like an entire week. It was horrible. So I couldn't come and record a video for you guys, but my voice is pretty much back to normal. So I wanted to come and say Merry Christmas, belated Merry Christmas to all of you. I hope y'all had an amazing Christmas, and I wanted to thank y'all for 1,000 subbies. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so grateful, so thankful for every single last one of you. I love every single last one of you. I think we're up to like 1,019 subbies now, which is so crazy. I'm so excited. And y'all, you can see my balloon and my cake back here. My boyfriend went and got me a 1K cake and balloons, and it was so sweet. I love him so much. So at the beginning of this year, 2022, I set my goals, and one of my goals was to hit 1,000 subscribers, and I said I'm going to make videos every single week. I'm going to upload every single week to make sure that I can hit that goal. And y'all, I have been really consistent. For the most part, I've posted at least one video every single week here on YouTube, which was not easy, but I did it, and the results are great. I was able to reach my 1,000 subby goal. I was able to hit 100,000 lifetime views on my channel. Like, I'm just so beyond grateful and happy. And I just appreciate all of y'all for coming along with me on my YouTube journey. I kind of changed up my channel a little bit this year. I didn't do exclusively natural hair content. Of course, I still do my natural hair content, but I've added in some other types of videos, such as my vlogs and talking about more lifestyle type content, and you guys have been watching them and supporting them, and I'm just so thankful. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to come and do a quick little end of the year video for you guys, and to just thank y'all again for joining the clique. Like, we're 1K strong or whatever. So I'm gonna take some pictures with my cake and post them on Instagram and all that. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. And that's pretty much it. So I will be back in 2023 with more videos. Gonna keep this uploading every week schedule going. I'm gonna make sure that I don't fall off and I stay consistent again, so that I can hit all of my goals for 2023 as well. And I hope that you guys just continue watching. All right, y'all, so I hope y'all had an amazing New Year's, and I will see y'all in 2023. Bye.